हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल टेक्नो ट्रिप। तो आज मैं अपने चैनल पे करने वाला हूँ अनबॉक्स ये नया लैपटॉप डेल का। इट्स अ गेमिंग लैपटॉप G15 with RTX 3050, 8 GB RAM, i5 11th Gen. So let's see what's inside the box. This is going to be a unboxing video. So okay, so all the tray was already taken out. Oh, here we are. So this is the product, Dell laptop. Okay, let's keep it aside. Wait. Okay. So this is when the contents. ये है चार्जर की कुछ वायर. Oh, it's a big charging brick, man. ये है 180 watt का चार्जर. Okay, that's all. That's all inside the box. Okay, so let's have a look at this laptop. I bought it through flipkart at a good price. Very good. And मेरे को पड़ा है I think 52,000 के आसपास, with an exchange of my old i3 4th Gen laptop, and that I bought in 2015. So I got a good price, 13,000 के आसपास. So I thought, to upgrade it. So here we are. बाकी I'm not going to check कि क्या review है, this is all that. It's all good laptop. G15, you can see the G logo here. And the vents, क्योंकि gaming laptop है तो needs air. Okay, here we are. So this is the protection. Keep it aside. And it should power on automatically. I think the battery is dead, so we'll need to recharge. But anyways, so this is the laptop, guys, and so I'm quite excited to use it. New laptop. So that's all. I'll be doing a complete review of it later on. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.